Hi everyone! We are off to do something really fun today. Where are we off to? What are we gonna go see?
The horses.
We're gonna go see some horses.
Yeah.
Now, Uncle Cody and Auntie Tegan live on a farm, and so we're gonna go see the animals, and I think they might have some baby lambs. Should we go?
Yeah.
Ready, go!
Ready to go to the farm!
Let's go. Let's go.
Are we here?
Yeah.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
All right, we're here. Let's get the mail. Go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Say hello. Say hi, Lemmy. Oh my goodness.
You know what Lemmy say?
What did Lemmy say?
You go,
Meh. Hi. Can you say hi? Summer. Who's that? Is that you in the lamp? Hold it. Good girl. Are you feeling the lamp?
Probably would. Petting? Glad by your hand.
Oh, good work. Oh, clever. Wow.
Explosion, did you?
Yeah. What's he doing, Summer? Very young. You want to ride him? Summer, is he a bit big? He might be a bit big.
Every day goes through life.
What are you doing? They smell?
Yeah,
Do they?
they smell delicious.
Oh, they actually do smell really nice.
The smell?
You showed a bit. How did you like the horsey?
I like the horsey.
You like the horsey?
What's that?
He's eating hay. What else does the horsey eat?
Wow.
Yeah. Who's coming?
Horsey.
Frodo.
I'm the pecker.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, Sophie. Hi, Frodo.
Hi, Frodo. Oh, he's lovely.
Is it right my finger?
Can you tickle under his chin?
Hold on to this, hold on to it really tightly. Don't let go. Hold on to it.
Does it do photo? I can't eat it. Photo? Here's photo. It's photo. I got.
You got wet? Is it raining?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Do we need to come inside? Okay.
What's photo?
Frodo came because you called him. Okay, come inside. It's raining. Come on.
Photo. Where are you? Way over there.
Oh, right over there.
And Mummy, come.
He can't come inside. Do goats come inside?
No.
No. Do they live in the paddock?
Hit it.
We're at the waterfall. Okay, guys, gotta put the jacket on because where are we going? To the waterfall? Okay. Yep, just hold it like that. We don't need it yet.
Did we get the ranger in there? Who is in the way of the ranger?
Okay. Can you see the waterfall? Look at the waterfall! Is it a big waterfall?
Yeah. Down here.
Are we at the waterfall?
At the waterfall.
And is it really big? And what you got? Your umbrella? You gonna put it up? Okay. Ready? Climbing! Come on! Yay!
Go!
We're at the waterfall! Woohoo! How pretty is this?
See, how pretty is this, Cody? So pretty. So pretty.
Okay, get out in the raincoat.
I don't have my raincoat on.
Oh, okay, Jared's getting wet. Oh, wait.
How come everyone else? How come I'm there? I bought my raincoat, but I'm not wearing my raincoat.
Okay.
I'm not wearing my raincoat. It's not raining, but the waterfall is raining. Here you go, babe.
Someone likes the puddles more than all. Do you like the puddles? we come after a big rainstorm.